Hi, boys and girls. So what we are learning today is how to understand true and false equations. It says, think about what you know about addition and subtraction equations that are false. Okay, so if something is false, it means that it is not true, right? Not true. Okay, fill in each box. Use words, numbers, and pictures. Show as many ideas as you can. So if something is false, that's what this is. Okay, we're going to be talking about false using pictures, false using our own words, different examples, and non-examples. Okay, so if something is false, it means it is not true, right? It is not true, okay? It means that it is not equal or the same, okay? Or the same. So if we're talking about a scale, so if we have a scale, right? And there's my scale, kind of like a teeter-totter. If I had a feather, right, on this side of the scale, and I had a big, huge metal ball on this side, it's not going to be equal or the same amount on both sides. I drew a picture here, but I could have drawn it over here, right? Another picture of not equal or not the same. So we know that the equal sign is in the middle of a problem, okay? If I have 3 balls plus 1 more ball, that would mean I have 1, 2, 3, 4 balls, right? And that's how many are on this side of the equal sign. On this side, if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, now they would be equal, right? But I don't. I have 1 more than 4. That means there are 5 on this side. So 4 is not equal to 5. 4 is not the same as 5. Okay? Another example. If I had 3 plus 6 equals 7 plus 4, I would have to solve to make sure that everything on this side of the equal sign is the same as everything on this side of the equal sign. So if I have 3 and 6, I know that 6 is a greater number, right? So I could circle 6. We know our count on to add strategy. So 6 and 3 more is what? 9. Make a C. Up to the top, big line down. 9, 9, 9. That can not work. Okay? 9. If I have 7 and 4, 7 is greater, and 4 more, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, which number is greater? Is 9 greater or 11 greater? Right, 11 is more, okay? So more on this side and fewer on this side. They are not the same, right? So 9 is not the same as 11. If you have 9 cookies and your friend has 11 cookies, you do not have the same amount. And the same is what the equal symbol means. Not the same is what you have here. Okay? A non-example of a false equation would be a true equation, right? The opposite of false is true. That means the statement would be correct, right? So if I had 3 plus 6 equals 7 plus 2, let's look at this. Here's my equal sign. That, I'm going to read it, is the same as, okay? So 3 plus 6 is the same as 7 plus 2, means it is a true statement. Well, let's double check that, okay? So if we have 6 and 3 more, our total is 9. Make a C up to the top, big line down, 9, 9, 9. 7 and 2, 7 is greater. 2 more, 9. Make a C up to the top, big line down, 9, 9, 9. Is 9 the same as 9? Yes. So this is a non-example of a false problem. This is a true problem. Number 2 says, June says the equation is that 4 plus 5 equals 8 is true. True means correct. So let's solve. It says, do you agree? Explain. 4 plus 5 equals 8. Well, we know that the plus symbol tells us that 4 is a part and 5 is a part. And 8 has to be the whole, right? We know that a part plus a part equals the whole. If 4 is a part, I'm going to add 4 here. 5 is the other part, I'll add it to the other part, 5. 4 plus 5, 5 plus 4. The total is, we have 4 and 5 more, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is the total. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Now, June said that 4 plus 5 equals 8. Does 4 plus 5 equal 8? No, it is not true. It is not equal. They are not the same on both sides. Period.